Hi guys! This is Range Rover Transmission 2012. 12. There is a problem for the pressure switch. This one, I think. This one and this one. Pressure solenoid. But now, they want to open this one to make it sure. Guys, this is Range Rover. I don't know how to work this one, but I do it for the customer.
Na makulit.
So he is very makulit. Guys, joke only. I know how to do this one. It is easy.